So here's a really cool plugin you can get this month for free, this being August 2022. It's called Hatz, as the name suggests. It's a bunch of hi-hats. Really cool layout here, and you can get all kind of crazy patterns, great for trap and other styles of music. Let's just check some of this out. I haven't messed with this too much, but I'll show you this little demonstration here. You could either play the patterns on your keyboard, or you could write them in with MIDI. For this demo, I just threw some ones in here for MIDI. Let me show you that real quick. Just the different key switches there in your DAW. Or you could play it on a keyboard, like I said. So down here, we have different divisions of hi-hat patterns, and then there's other patterns here. Then we can do some pitch up and pitch down. We get different effects here. And then we got a million different, well, not a million. We got a bunch of different hi-hats here. Let me see how to get to the hi-hat sound. We can do a random hi-hat sound here too. Let me try how to get to the, again, I haven't messed with this too much. So, oh, here we go. So we got this little thing up here. We got different hi-hats for hip hop, 64 different ones. Glitchy, 49 different ones. All samples, EDM, lo-fi, REM, R&B, trap music. So yeah, really cool. Let's just check this out. So here's the hi-hat pattern I just created really quickly. Put the drum beat in with that. And then we got some other controls up here: reverb, delay, 8-bit, drive, high pass, low pass filter, gains, tune, width, and such. Let's play around with those. Doesn't seem like the high pass stuff's doing anything. Oh, it's not on. That's why. So yeah, you could dial in all kind of crazy hi-hat sounds. And like I said, we got all these different sounds of hi-hat. Let me meet the beat real quick. You could have, whatever you want. Let's turn these off real quick. Go through some random hi-hats here. Now, you also can load your own samples in here. So if you wanted to make a snare drum pattern or something, let's check this out. Let's do that one there. So instantly we have like a marching kind of sound. And I'm using the same pattern, obviously. You could even probably automate that and do like a riser. So yeah, really cool plugin. If you're watching this in August, go over to the link in the video description below, and you could grab this one for free with a purchase of another product. This one's really cool. I have just begun to explore this, and then, like there's a dice up here too. What's that do? Yeah, cool. So hey, check out my channel. I have a bunch of other really cool music production stuff, plugins, some free, some paid for, all kind of fun stuff. Check it out. Please do subscribe. Hit the notification bell to be notified of new videos coming out. That is all for now. Check out the videos that I got on the screen here. See you soon.